Grace College of Engineering, Thuthukudi, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Digital Systems Laboratory for 2nd CSE students 3rd semester. Exercise number 7, Asynchronous Counter. Aim: to design and implement asynchronous counter. Apparatus required: digital IC trainer kit, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop, NAND gate and connecting wires. What is asynchronous? Asynchronous counter is a very simple and it is called a ripple counter. In ripple counter, the flip-flop output, that transition serves as a source of triggering other flip-flop. It is used to trigger the other flip-flop. This is the pin diagram of IC 7476. This is 4-bit ripple counter logic diagram. This is the 4-bit ripple counter truth table. Let us see the implementation of 4-bit ripple counter using digital IC trainer. See, this is a IC 7476. Here we have 16 pins are there. In one IC we can connect 2 flip-flop. See, according to pin configuration we have connected this. See, this is clock. We have connected to the clock. Next, first one is clear. See, I am clicking this to, the output is off. That will be cleared. Okay, clear button. And then next, this is clock and then high. Okay, see the output, it is changing according to the clock signal. That is 0000, 0001, like that the output is changing. So we have successfully verified the output for 4-bit ripple counter. This is a logic diagram for mod 10 ripple counter. This is a truth table. Let us see the implementation of mod 10 ripple counter. According to the pin diagram, we have given the connections. See, here clock connections is given and these are the inputs, 2 inputs, and here the output is coming. See, while comparing to mod 4 ripple counter, here in the mod 10 we have used only extra, that is we have used one NAND gate. That is the difference between mod 4 and mod 10. Here we got the output. We have successfully verified the truth table. Thus we have implemented asynchronous counter and verified the truth table. Thank you.